Welcome to Online WHS Tutorials. This is step 3 in getting started. In the first two steps, we've organised our employees' qualifications. We've set email alerts for all of our sites. Step 2, we've actually printed out a QR code for an incident and QR code for a hazard so our employees can quickly and easily log incidents and hazards into your system. Step 3 is where you can start building things. So there's certain registers inside the system that you can actually use to create certain documents and certain processes. And the first process is to come here to the emergency procedures and build emergency procedures relating to your business. Identify certain scenarios and then develop emergency procedures for each one of those scenarios. Again, use the WHS helper to actually help you go through this process step by step. So you've built your emergency procedures, and one of the next steps you should be actually doing is coming to your policy register and building your policies that are either being uploaded in the system or you need to add in the system. We do preload a number of policies to help get you started. They're only templates, and you can use those to actually either alter, change, and put your logo on to have your policies inside there. This is a big task depending on how many policies you actually have in your business. But a policy is a statement of commitment to a certain process, and it really is important that you actually get these correct. But every policy is useless if it's just going to sit on a shelf or the employee has no access to it. So that's why it's a good idea for you later on when we go through it that you're going to induct all your employees into these policies. You can do the same process with procedures and also safe work methods. Upload your safe work methods and safety data sheets into these registers to help yourself get up and going if you actually haven't already done so. When you completed your starter kit, you actually entered data, but you actually didn't enter the documents. So it's a time for you to actually go to each one of these registers and literally come to the upload button next to that item and upload the safe work method or the safety data sheet or the procedure or the policy. All the registers work in the same way. We're going to upload. When you do upload it and there's a document inside there, it will actually be highlighted as purple, where you can also download that document. So again, work through the policy register, work through the procedure register, work through the safe work method and chemical registers and get all your documents inside your system, as well as all the other registers that you might want to put documents into, like for an example, the forms register. Once that is done, you can actually come to your checklist builder and start building checklists relating to your business. Again, the WHS helper can take you step by step through this process. The next step that you would actually undertake is to come up here to the site safety section and the induction builder and build inductions for all the policies and procedures that you've built, your emergency procedures and your activities and chemicals and plant equipment items and so forth inside the system. We'll go further into that step in step 4, getting started. That was step 3 in getting started with your online WHS system.